The Micromax In 2C is finally available in India. This is a budget smartphone from the Indian smartphone brand Micromax powered by the Unisoc T610 processor. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox the same and look at the first impression of the Micromax In 2C smartphone. This is the retail package of the Micromax In 2C, the latest budget smartphone from Micromax powered by Unisoc T610 processor. The smartphone offers 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage with a dedicated microSD card slot for additional storage expansion. The device also has dual Nano SIM card slots with support for 4G LTE network on both slots. Now let us open the actual box and look at the content that are available in the retail package of the Micromax In 2C. As you can see, the box is in a typical Micromax fashion. It says the branding and it also says that this is a made in India smartphone. The very first thing that you get in the retail package is the smartphone itself, which is covered in a plastic bag, and you also get a couple of accessories. Now let us look at the same. There is a folder inside the box which houses most of the accessories that are included with this smartphone, which includes a soft silicone case which should help you to protect your Micromax In 2C smartphone. Additionally, there is also a soft screen protector which has been included in the box, which will help you again protect the screen. And then we have a SIM ejector tool which will help you to remove the SIM card tray and insert SIM and microSD card slot. On the box, we also get a charger, a 10-watt charger, along with an USB Type-C cable, which is an USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable with support for 10-watt fast charging, and this smartphone takes around 150 minutes or around 3 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. These are the devices, or these are the accessories that you will get when you purchase the Micromax In 2C smartphone. Now let us look at the actual smartphone itself. As you can see, the smartphone comes in this polythene cover which will help you protect the smartphone when it is in transit, and then there is also a sticker on the back which again highlights some of the features available on this Micromax In 2C smartphone. You have to remove this sticker while using, or you can also retain it if you wanted to. And then there is also another sticker that has been sticked onto the smartphone which has information like IMEI, model number, charging fidelity, and it also has details on the SAR values of this smartphone. At the bottom you have a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the right you have the volume button and the power button, and on the left you have the SIM card tray which accepts 2 Nano SIM cards and a microSD card slot. At the front you have a 6.52-inch HD plus IPS LCD screen with a 60Hz display. And this is a budget smartphone. The chin or the bezels are on slightly thicker side. As you can see, this is based on Android operating system. I have set up the Micromax In 2C smartphone. This is how the device looks after setting it up. As you can see, the Micromax In 2C smartphone runs completely on a stock Android operating system with no third-party apps or bloatware. It only has apps that have been included by Google and no third-party apps, which is not usually seen on smartphone of this price range. As you can see, out of the box, out of 32GB, around 7GB is consumed by the operating system itself, and the device has a dual camera setup at the back with an 8MP primary camera and the depth sensor. At the front, you have a 5MP selfie camera which can also record HD videos. As I have mentioned before, this smartphone is powered by the Unisoc T610 processor, which offers up to 1.8 GHz clock speed combined with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage with a microSD card slot. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery, which should be plenty enough and should last for a day without any issue. Again, as you can see, the smartphone runs on Android 11 operating system, and as of now there is no information if this device will get Android 12 or not. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel Gizbot, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification each time we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.